Hello, my name is Hideharu Tsukamoto, coming from the corporate branding department at Anritsu in Japan. We are proud to introduce the Raijin Project as new branding campaign at IMS in Boston. This initiative shows something fundamental about our company, who are over a century and it has supported the global communications with the heart of craftsmanship. In collaboration with Japanese lacquer artisan company, we created these collaboration models inspired by Fujin and Raijin, symbols of past forces. While test instruments and these lacquer art seems different, they share same mindset: precision, dedication, and continuous evolution. We'd like to share not only technologies, but also philosophies behind them. Our message is simple: honor the past and engineer the future.